Essex, and I am your network marketing, affiliate marketing, online success connection. Welcome to my channel. Our channel is all about giving reviews on company, tools, and products in our industry. We deal primarily with how to make money with network marketing, how to make money with affiliate marketing, how to make money online, and how to generate unlimited leads for your home-based business. Every day we give a review so that you can make a well-informed decision. If you are interested in any of these topics, feel free to subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button below, and also to hit the bell icon so that you can be notified every day when we release our videos. With that being said, guys, let's get into today's review. Hello guys. This is Sandra Essex, your network marketing, online marketing, affiliate marketing, online success connection. What we're going to be doing today is doing a review on a MLM energy company called Ambit Energy. Okay, Ambit was founded in 2006. The founders are Jerry Thompson Jr. and Chris Chambliss. Their corporate office is located in Dallas, Texas. They are a MLM energy company, and we are looking at their corporate website. It's a plain, simple website. It tells about their rates and plans. If you're interested in doing this as a business, if you click this link, it's going to tell you a little bit of information about the business side of it. This is about the energy side, and then it has a little history about Ambit. But we're going to just do a quick cursory overview of Ambit, and it says that Ambit Energy provides electricity and natural gas services in deregulated markets across the United States, primarily marketed through the direct sales channels, and that's MLM or network marketing, and they have over 250,000 independent consultants. They're based in Dallas, Texas, and they said that their company is focused on being the finest and most respected retail energy provider in America and they're offering cost-effective choices for today's energy consumer. Okay, what we're going to do now, that tells a little bit about the company of Ambit if you're interested in either using their services or trying to build a business with the company. So let's look at what Ambit opportunity is all about. If you're interested in working with them as an independent distributor, and what you'll be doing is marketing their electricity and natural gas plans. In the United States, you can market their plans in California, Connecticut, Delaware, the District of Columbia, Illinois, Maine, Massachusetts, Maryland, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Texas, and Virginia, and they say they're always looking to open new markets. So if you're interested in building a business with Ambit, those are the territories that they offer within the United States. So since at this point, if you're looking at Ambit as a business opportunity, let's take a look at how their consultants make money. Here on one of their websites, they say that to get involved with their company as a consultant, you have two different ways to get involved. You can pay $429 for a one-time fee with no annual renewal. Or if you're in Connecticut, you have a $199 single state consultant and a $99 annual renewal. And then with either one of those two packages that you come in with, you pay $24.95 per month for their personal business building system. So when you come into business, you're out of about $475 basically out of pocket to get involved at the level to generate income if you're outside of the state of Connecticut. Okay, let's look now at how their compensation plan works. Okay, if you're interested in working with Ambit, they have a binary compensation plan. I'm not going to really get in depth with it because we're just doing a review on the company so you can make a good, sound business decision if this is the type of company that you want to get involved with. It looks like their compensation plan is a binary, and when I say binary, it means that you come into the business here, you got to bring in at least 2 people, then they bring in 2 people, they bring in 2 people, they bring in 2 people, and you're supposed to duplicate on down. Now here they give you the different levels: the regional director, the senior director, the executive director, and the national consultant. And for each of these levels you make a certain fee per person that you bring in, and as your business grows down deep, you make a certain percentage. So if you're interested in learning more about their compensation plan, I would suggest that you visit the Ambit Energy website, and they can get more in depth with the compensation plan. Now, with the pros and cons, with my reviews, I always give pros and cons on company. Yes, this company has been in existence since 2006. So some of the pros that I see is that energy and natural gas is something that everybody needs. And you do have a market for that. Now on the con side is it's a lot of these companies out there since the market has been deregulated, and you're having steep competition getting customers because you have these type of companies, and then also the standard traditional companies that's name brand that everybody's familiar with. Just like myself, I'm with Scana and Georgia Power. You know, I'm not leaving because I've been there so long and I'm so familiar with those companies. So that's what I see as a con, and on the con side. And then as you see here, to make any real money with the company, you're going to have to bring in a lot of people. So you have that stiff competition, and then you have to recruit constantly to keep your income coming in. But they say that some people are making good money with this company. Now, if you're interested in getting involved with this type of company as a network marketing side, I have been involved in network marketing for numerous years. My last 2 companies, I have been one of their top producers. And one thing that I learned in my journey in network marketing, MLM, that you're going to have to learn to brand yourself. You're going to have to learn how to go through a lot of leads without taking anything personal, because some will, some won't. So what next? So you're going to have to learn to have a system in place that you're going to have a lot of leads coming to you daily. Now they're going to tell you to start off with your family and friends, but trust me, I have had family and friends in my businesses. Yes, they signed up, but trust me, they were one of the first people to drop out. So if you want to sustain yourself in this type of business, I would suggest that you learn how to brand yourself, learn how to attract leads to you daily. And when I say attract leads to you daily, that doesn't mean that everybody's going to sign up with you, but you have enough people looking at your business daily that you can cipher through the tire kickers and somebody that's actually interested in listening to what you have to say, so you can move them into joining you as a business partner. So if you're interested in learning how you can have unlimited leads coming to you daily, please look below this video, and you're going to see a link, and you can learn how you can generate unlimited leads daily for free for your business. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you have found some type of value with this review. If you did get some value with this review, please give me a thumbs up and a like, and also take the time to subscribe to my channel, and also click the bell icon so you can be notified when I release my daily videos. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section, because I do answer all my questions in the comment sections. And if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, take a look at the description below, and you will see a link that will tell you my #1 recommendation for making money online. So with that being said, this is Sandra Essex signing out. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the icon notification bell button so you will be notified daily when I release my videos. So with that being said, take care and have an awesome day until my next review.